Hi everyone, I'm Amy Luat, a pediatric epileptologist and program director of our Pediatric Epilepsy Fellowship Program at Children's Hospital of Michigan. And
I am Dr. Lalita Sivaswamy. I'm the Division Chief of Neurology here at Children's Hospital in Detroit.
we would like to let you know that we are participating in the Epilepsy Fellowship Match. Our program provides an outstanding experience and clinical training on evaluation, clinical management of neonatal and pediatric epilepsy, functional brain mapping and evoked potential studies, multimodality neuroimaging, epilepsy surgery, and neurostimulation therapy, including RNS.
We have plenty of research opportunities here with 8 federally funded grants related to epilepsy, including NIH and Department of Defense.
Our graduates have excelled in both academic and private careers, and we are really looking forward to interviewing you soon in our program.
And Amy and I wish you all the very best in your academic endeavors. Good luck!